The best way to learn is by doing. So in this video I'm going to go over how you can both sign files and verify signatures with RSA. On this system I have two users, Alice and Bob. As Alice I want to sign this file called file.txt and then send the signature with the file to Bob. And then as Bob I want to verify the signature to make sure integrity and authenticity have been preserved. Alice starts by generating the RSA private key that will be used to sign the file. Obviously this key needs to be kept private. Now we have to extract the public key that we will give to Bob. Then we give this public key to Bob. Now that the keys are created, we can sign the file. We start by producing the digest of the file, sometimes called the hash value or the checksum. This digest is what we'll actually sign. We don't sign the file directly, because that would be inefficient and in some cases impossible. The command to sign the digest is this. Now that we have the signature, we'll send both the file and the signature to Bob. Now Bob has three files, the public key, the signature, and file.txt. He wants to verify the signature, and he does this by making his own digest of the file.txt. And then he verifies the signature.bin with the public key against the digest. Since the signature is verified, he can be sure that the file.txt is actually from Alice. So to recap, Alice made a digest of file.txt, then she signed that digest with the private key. Bob was given the file.txt, the signature, and the public key. He then made his own digest of file.txt and verified the signature with the public key against his own digest. And since the signature got verified, the file's authenticity and integrity has been preserved as long as the private key has been kept private. If you learned something from this video, tell me by leaving a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. If you have any questions, then post them in the comment section, because I respond to every comment.